Where is it? Okay. Alright, Mom. I just had to say that is the absolute most, like, not, like, snoring ever. I mean, that was scary. I mean, seriously? Like, if I was little and I walked into your room, I'd be scared out of my mind. But, yeah, so remember once upon a time when you said that you didn't snore? Well, when you see this video, I guess you'll change your mind. But, yeah, you're really loud, you know, 'cause my door was closed and everything. But, yeah.